Question 1. We can arrange the ages from the oldest to the youngest. Oldest to youngest. We know that Luke is older than Rachel. Suppose we put Luke here. So Rachel would be on the right-hand side of Luke. And since Dennis is younger than Rachel, Dennis must also be on the right-hand side of Rachel. From here we can see that Luke is the oldest, followed by Rachel, and followed by Dennis. So who is older, Luke or Dennis? Luke is older. Question 2. We can solve question 2 by drawing a model. We have a clue here. Mavis is twice as old as Claire. From here, we can use 1 unit to represent Claire's age. And since Mavis is twice as old as Claire, Mavis' age would be 2 units. We also know that Mavis and Steve are twins, which means that Steve's age is same as Mavis, so Steve's age would be 2 units as well. Lastly, we know that Steve is 1 year older than Claire, so this extra 1 unit here is represented by 1 year. From here we can see that Claire's age would be 1 year old. Question 3. We know that Timothy is a student. If you are a student, are you Timothy? The answer is no. Because if you are a student, your name might not be called Timothy. Question 11. If it is raining, I'll be cold if I'm outdoors. So it is raining and I'm outdoors. Do you think I'm cold? The answer would be yes, because raining and outdoors, these two conditions have been fulfilled. Therefore, yes, I'm cold. Question 5. If you dress in a suit, you will be popular? If Terry is popular, do you know that he dresses in a suit? The answer is no. For question 6, Paul never skateboards without his helmet. So, if Paul is skateboarding, do we know that he is wearing his helmet? The answer is yes. Question 7. We know that all squares are rectangles. Does that mean that all rectangles must be square? The answer is no. For example, consider this figure. This is a rectangle, but it is not a square because this length is bigger than this length. So the answer is no. Question 8. If we know that all left-handed children are happy and Nat is left-handed, do we know that Nat is happy? The answer is no, because Nat might not be a child. Again, for question 9, the answer is no. Question 10. Abby, Brian, and Charles take turns pairing up with each other to play chess. When 2 people are playing, the other person will watch them play. Each pair plays only 1 game, and each game lasts for exactly the same amount of time. If they spend 60 minutes together, how much time does each of them spend on playing the chess? So, let's list out the few possible ways in which the 2 people could play chess. For example, we can have Abby playing with Brian, or Abby playing with Charles, or Brian playing with Charles. And the total time spent is 60 minutes. Since each game lasts for exactly the same amount of time, and there are a total of 1, 2, and 3 games, each game would last for 20 minutes. Since 20 times 3 would give us 60 minutes. So how much time does each of them spend on playing chess? So for Abby, he would spend 20 minutes here and another 20 minutes here, giving us 20 times 2 equals to 40 minutes. Similarly, for Brian, he would spend 20 minutes here and 20 minutes here, giving us 40 minutes as well. Therefore, the answer for question 10 is 40 minutes.